Today we're going to teach you how to change an air filter. We're going to have a kid show us how. So we first open up the vent and we check to see the size, which is a 12 by 12 by 1 for this particular filter. You then need to go and make sure you buy the appropriate filter. This is a basic one. Go ahead and open it up. Even kids can open up these filter bags. Now, we need to write the new date on the filter. So we're going to write 2/25/19. This is so we can keep track of when we last changed the filter. Just gonna put the lid on there. And then we make sure that the arrow is pointed in the direction of the airflow. A lot of houses will have multiple of these. Good. Yep, just put it right over the top of that. Good. Make sure it's all the way in. And then we'll put the vent back. Push that. Good. And close these. Good. And that is how you change an old, dirty air filter to a new, clean one. Want to give a thumbs up?